you are born, there is also something else that is born. And you start with the little one. The soul is just as little as the little one. Then he adapts, he prepares, he glazes at the path he has to go to. He thinks, he calms down, he gets tired eventually, and sleeps while he's at it. He grows up with the family and friends, gets introduced to all forms of emotions, energies. He forgets everything and moves with the life. The park in which he played. He finds someone, or someone found him. They made a promise, kept a secret. Innocent little souls. Every aspect is happy and joyful at that time. Those classes are times, interaction, making fun, being happy. It takes a big place. Love enter your life eventually. It started from the place, but it grew into something very fragile and large. Promises he kept, warmth he sought. He went out in search, spent more time with each other. He was finding a perfect balance in life. He made a big pathway for himself. He was free from every bounds and was living at his fullest. The promise he kept was just about to be fulfilled. He was thinking of something very beautiful, but that's not how it turned out, of course. All so fun, so dusty. Some other person's touch. someone's punch. Blood that flows outside, not inside. Pointy metal that we stick inside, ruining, breaking all that blood, all those habits. Then what? When one actually realizes something, it is then too late. Who would pick up that soul when it is all alone and wasted? It is obvious, but he still made the same mistake. Every damn time. Why does it have to be like this? Soul was suffering, but ignorance is the reason that led to the ending. What's the point in sobbing now? It's all gone. Or is it?